Okay, this is a demonstration video for our smart fridge tracker. So, right now we're going to open the fridge. All right. And then the banana is going through the video. We can type in closed. Okay. And then as you can see, we looking from our monitor. Each time it takes a picture of a frame and then it saves it to the SD card and then it uploads. So we can see that here we took 69 frames and then all of them uploaded okay. You showed 69 frames.
Yeah, it will have like 69 image here, and it will automatically convert to an output video, and then it will upload here. Let me refresh the UI. Yeah, you will see the image. I just record. Actually,
Okay.
it's the.
Yeah. And then
you have the banana quality and unconfirmed, and we can confirm the.
okay.